Infinix Zero Ultra. With its 180W Thunder charging capacity, the Infinix Zero Ultra lets you charge your phone from 0% to 50% in approximately 4 minutes, and from 50% to 100% in about 8 minutes more. By doing this, you can essentially put an end to battery worry and continue working while performing sublimely. Optical Image Stabilisation, WA, and a 200MP triple camera are among the features of the Infinix Zero Ultra. So, regardless of whether you're recording films during the day or shooting photographs at night, the output will always be razor sharp, dazzling, and stable. Additionally, a high-definition 32MP selfie camera with dual LED flash has been incorporated for brilliant and vibrant selfies all around. The Infinix Zero Ultra's 3D Curved AMOLED Display and 120Hz refresh rate bring all of your content to life. As a result, everything you surf through, play in a game, or watch appears stunning on this smartphone. This phone has cleared the TÜV SÜD 36-month fluency owing to exceptional hardware architecture and Infinix self-developed algorithms, enabling you to conveniently exploit its brilliant make. The Infinix Zero Ultra is equipped with a potent MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, which makes this phone extremely quick and responsive. Furthermore, because it has been developed using a 6nm technology, it is also incredibly power efficient. The sophisticated 11-layer cooling mechanism on this phone keeps it cool and responsive even during prolonged gaming or productivity sessions. The Infinix Zero Ultra has 256GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, which allows for efficient performance. Moreover, using the Creative Fusion technology, the 8GB RAM can be seamlessly increased by up to 5GB more. That means you can enjoy up to 13GB of RAM on your phone and stay on top of your game. The Infinix Zero Ultra has a fast and accurate in-display fingerprint scanner in addition to a feature called Face Unlock that enables quick unlocking and flawless security. For optimal and seamless 5G connection across the country via any 5G network, the Infinix Zero Ultra has 12 5G bands. Additionally, the phone has NFC for contactless payments anywhere and superior Wi-Fi 6, which offers extremely fast Wi-Fi rates. With the assurance of a significant Android update and security patches with the smartphone, the feature-rich OS 12 integrated into this phone, which is based on Android 12, also ensures that the phone will remain up to date.